picture quality, there's no light up here. Basically, the pipes come up there, run across the roof, up and across out of the timber cladding. Yeah, so just saddled it so it's not getting in the way of anything. So up through the walk-in wardrobe, up in internal ductwork, across, up, across, and we'll mount the outdoor unit on brackets. Let's go.
To the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I gotta go. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Hit me, but I keep you on a need to know. Came up from the bottom, started from the floor. Working 10 to 10 and a 10 to 4. My mommy floor. Always know the plan, I know dummy knows. Always been myself, never had to fake. Had to cut off friends, had to lose a week. Took a couple L's, charged it to the drink. Since I switched my lane, never been the same. Riding to the top, started from the floor. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Sniffing on an M, I need one of those. Sniffing on an M like I gotta go. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. Need to know, nah, you don't need to know. How we got up here, you don't need to know. Give me, but I keep you on a need to know. 95, down on 95. I'll sit down and shout it just to see the down.
Okay, so now to explain. So basically, this roof is split up into two. So basically, we could only, or I can get into any roof space, but the one that was above that bedroom, there's like a wall there, and we were just on that side of it. So that's why the insulator is on the wall there, on the left-hand side. It's because that's where we could get into. So that explains that. But anyway, that one's all done. This is more a video of just the indoor sort of stuff, because I never really post much of that. Anyway, so that's one. That is an L series. These things are like very reliable in my opinion. I did this one a long time ago. This is a J series. Like, this is probably 13 years old or something. Same deal. Everything all looks sweet. I did a fan motor in this. I made a video on it. Came up with an E7 fault. That's the only problem it's ever had. Apart from that, it still absolutely purrs. It's a really reliable unit. And the fan motor, to be honest, nothing was really wrong with it. It's just Daikin. I think they punch out an E7 fault whenever the fans get old, even if they still work. It's crazy. But anyway, the only thing I've noticed is they're a bit rusty, but apart from that, she's apples. And then a Cora. So they've got 3 Daikins. You know we love a minor joint. How good. Anyway, yeah, so here's the Cora. R32 Cora, R410 J series, and R410 L series. All on different power circuits. All got isolators and whatever. Right, let's go turn this on.